unconditional love takes me to paradise. I belong to you, and you belong to me too. You make my life complete. You make me feel so sweet. You make me feel so divine. Your soul and mine are entwined. Before you I was blind, but since I've opened my eyes, and with you there's no disguise, so I could open up my mind.